Hey guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. Have I got a beautiful new palette to share with you. My very first PR palette, PR package from one of my favorite indie brands, Clarity Cosmetics. This is their new Aloha palette. Guys, when I saw this on Instagram, I was like, I need. Look at how beautiful this 16 pan color story is. This is for colorful makeup lovers only. This is everything I would imagine Hawaii represents. I've never been to Hawaii. I'm a fearful flyer. I have to go in small increments. I have to like inch my way to wherever it is I'm going. But Hawaii is definitely on my bucket list and I will get there someday. But this is a stunning palette. You are getting a nice mix of matte and shimmer shadows. There are 8 mattes, there are 8 foil shadows. This palette drops on June 16th. It retails for $56, but I do have a discount code. I believe my code is Steff5. It will be in the description box and I'll put it down here, and that will give you either 5 or 10% off of your order. Clarity Cosmetics had stopped doing affiliate codes, at least when it came to eyeshadow palettes, because the cost of production had gone up, but they are back and they are honoring affiliate codes when it comes to this palette. I'm going to be creating 3 looks for you guys today. You don't even know how excited I am. Thank you so much, Clarity Cosmetics, for sending this palette my way. Guys, I am filming this video like the day before I leave for vacation, and they were kind enough to ship it to me so that way I would have it with enough time to film. And I'm even going to take this with me to the Turks and Caicos and film with it over there. I don't know that I'll be able to do like a makeup look while I'm over there with it, but I'm definitely going to do a reel, take pictures of it out there on the beach in the sand, because it's just one of those palettes that belongs at the beach. If you guys want to see the 3 looks I'm about to create, keep on watching. Now, I've already primed my eyelids with my favorite eyeshadow primer of the moment, and that is from Sugar Drizzle. In case you ever want to shop on Sugar Drizzle, I do have an affiliate code with them. It is Steff10, and that will give you 10% off of your order. Let's start creating the first of 3 looks with Miss Aloha over here. I mean, I don't even know where to begin. I have used, loved, bought all of my Clarity Cosmetics palettes. I've never encountered a dud with their palettes, and I don't think that this is going to be a dud either. I have very high expectations for this going in. I think I have to start with the green, guys. I want to do maybe a monochromatic look, maybe an all green look. I don't always do a lot of monochromatic looks, but I think I'm feeling a green one right now. So I'm going to start first with this shade. This shade is called Girls Just Want to Have Sunsets. That's another thing. Clarity Cosmetics always has really cute shade names. I'm going to take this shade on a Game Beauty E01. Let me know what some of your favorite Clarity Cosmetics palettes are. They also make good lippies. I have some of their liquid lipsticks. I have some of their glosses. And they're an indie brand. I always thought they were based out of Louisiana. They're actually here in Texas. They're here in Texas, and you guys know I'm down here in South Texas. So I am always down just to support indie brands in general, but especially when they're from my home state. Okay, this green is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Didn't think it wouldn't be, but that's beautiful. That pretty much just blended itself. I'm just gonna lightly blend the edge a little bit. I don't want to over blend this. Now, I know I said I was going to do a monochromatic look, but I want to deepen this up a little bit. So I think I'm going to try this shade right here. This one is called Here Today, Gone to Maui. I'm taking that on a Refer 14. Maui is definitely where I want to go the first time that I visit Hawaii. I've heard from family and friends that that is the happening island. I know Oahu is the capital where Honolulu is, and I'm sure that's beautiful too, but I want to fly into Maui and stay there probably the longest. So we'll see. It's definitely definitely on my list. I will get there. I'm just a nervous flyer, guys. What can I say? I mean, the doctor even has to give me medicine and an excuse because I just, you know, I don't take medicine for anxiety, but that's a different kind of anxiety for me when I'm on an airplane, and I just sometimes I just can't handle it. Don't be surprised if I do a reel, an Instagram reel or a YouTube short of doing my makeup on the airplane, because that definitely helps to zone me out and forget where I'm at. So if I'm able to do that, I most definitely will. Love this. Okay, now I'm going to go in with this green shimmer here. This one is called Keep Calm, Carry On. And I'm using a damp Morphe M709. I think my favorite part about Clarity Cosmetics has to be their shimmer formula, multi-duochrome, foiled, metallic, whatever it is. I've always found that they just have an outstanding formula. Look at this blend, guys. Look at this. Wow. I knew it. I knew it was going to be a good one. Okay, for the lower lash line, I'm going to go back in with this green shade, which was called Girls Just Wanna Have Sunsets. I'm taking that on a BK 210. Now with that same brush, I'm going to go into this shade right here. This one is called Mimosas and Margaritas. Same brush, I did spray it. I am gonna add some falsies just because this is the third video I filmed today, so my lashes are a little crispy here. I'm gonna add some eyeliner. I'll be right back to show you the completed look number one. So here's the completed look number one. The mascara I'm gonna be using in today's video is Fantasize from One Star. And the eyeliner I used is from Rare Beauty right here. The lashes I'm using in today's video are the House of Lashes Boudoir Light lashes. So they're really soft, not very dramatic lash, which I love. And then what else did I, oh, for the lower waterline, this green eyeliner from LA Girl Neon Shockwave Liner in the shade Gotcha. Guys, I love this look. I love it so much. That little pop of like purple maroon in the corner, I think just totally completes the look. Let's move over to the left eye and we'll start working on look number two. For look number two, I'm going to start with this shade in the inner corner. This one is called Waikiki Do You Love Me? And I'm taking this shade on a Game Beauty E04. Now I'm going to go into this matte blue right here. This one is called Paradise. And I'm using a BK Beauty, what is this, 211? Yeah, 211 brush. You see I'm bringing that a little bit down on the lid. Just lightly blend it out here. Remember, you don't want to over blend your blue shadows or it'll look like a hot mess. Kind of just pack them and lightly blend upwards just to shape. Now I think I'm going to do a combination of this shimmer shadow up here and this one down here. So I'm going to start first with the darker one. This one is called Resting Beach Face. I'm using a damp Morphe M124. Same brush. Now I'm going in with that lavender shimmer called Vacation Me Please. Oof, that is so pretty. Now for the lower lash line, I'm going to go in with this shade right here. This one is called Beekaboo. I'm using a BH Cosmetics pencil brush. I'm only going to go about halfway with this. Next, I'm going to go in with this beautiful shimmer shadow down here. This one is called Paradise. I'm using a damp Rephr 03. Wow. Okay guys, I am going to take care of the finishing touches off camera and I'll be right back to show you this completed look number 2. So here's the completed look number 2. Same everything with the exception of the lower waterline. I went in with this one. I've been using this one quite a bit. This is from NYX. It's part of their limited edition collection that was dropped maybe about a month ago at Ulta. This is the shade I Saw a Ghost Pepper. I love the way this look turned out. A nice blue lavender look and then the green. I'm gonna go take some pictures. I do want to mention though, I did get quite a bit of fallout from creating this blue look. Not so much over here, but definitely got more fallout on this eye than I did over here creating this look. But let me go take some quick pictures and then I'll be right back. I'll probably remove this look and then we'll start working on the third and final look with this, what is turning out to be possibly one of my favorite palettes of 2023, the Aloha palette from Clarity Cosmetics. All right, so let's get started on look number 3. I want to do something with this orange and coral and maybe this red, perhaps a yellow inner corner or like right here on the lower lash line. Should I start with the yellow first? Actually, I probably should. I'm going to do these 3 first and then I'm going to work my way into this shade over here to deepen up the outer corner. The yellow shade is called Suns Out, Buns Out. I'm using my Gain Beauty E01. Now on a BK A502, I'm going to go in with the orange called Tropic Like It's Hot. Bringing that down a little bit on the lid as well. Now I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold off on this shade. I might save this for the lower lash line because this is more of like a hot pink. I'm going to go straight into this other shade over here. This one's called Be My Goal Friend. And I'm using a Rephr 13. I'm going to touch up the orange and yellow right now. Going back in with Tropic Like It's Hot. Now going back in with Suns Out, Buns Out. Now I'm going to go in with this pink shade called Bikini. I'm taking that on a BK 210. So I think I've used all the matte shades in this palette. There's just a couple of the shimmer shadows I haven't used yet, but hopefully I can use them in this look. Now I'm going to go in with this beautiful shimmer shadow right here in the center. I'm taking that on a damp Rephr 21. The shade is called Koala-fications. Loving all of their little shade names. Okay, so I'm thinking that's too harsh of a line there. I'm gonna probably go in with the gold shimmer. So pretty much covering up all the mattes I did. Oh well. Now this is the only shade I haven't used and we're gonna use it right now. It's called Fine Apple. Same brush, we did spray it again. Felt a little bit of fallout with this one. Oh, that's beautiful. Beautiful, stunning, stunning. I love the way this look turned out. I feel like I wanna maybe deepen up this lower lash line a little bit. I'm gonna go back, I'm gonna go in with this one. This one was called Here Today, Gone to Maui. I'm taking this little bitty Rephr 29 just so I can tight line with it. Okay guys, I am going to take care of the finishing touches off camera and I'll be right back to show you this third and final look. Alright, so here is the completed look number 3. Same everything with the exception of the lower waterline. I went in with this oldie I have from NYX. It's an Epic Wear liner. I think it was one of their Pride collections a while back. This one is in the shade Happy Hour. It's just a bright pop of pink. I love this look. This is typical like summertime look, kind of like a sunset look, but I managed to use all 16 shades in this new Aloha palette from Clarity Cosmetics. Let me go ahead and wrap up today's video and I'll share with you guys my final thoughts. All right, so the verdict is in. I think you already know. This is a winner. I love this palette, from the beautiful artwork on the cover. This is also cardboard packaging, and look on the back, you can really see the full detail of it. But what's inside is extra special. Look at this 16 pan color story, an even split of matte and shimmer shadows. If this doesn't get you in the summer mood, I don't know what will, other than the very hot weather that we're having. This color story just, it just tugs at my heartstrings. When I saw it, I was breathtaking. I was like, I need to have this palette in my stash. I do collect Clarity Cosmetics eyeshadow palettes, but when they said they wanted to send this to me in PR, I was so over the moon. I am going to cherish this palette because it is the first Clarity Cosmetics palette that I've ever received in PR, and I'm so grateful for the team for recognizing me and sending this my way, sending it in time before I left for vacation, and that way I can take this with me on vacation. I'm not going to Hawaii, but I will one day, and I will most definitely have this along for the ride. But guys, if you pick this up, I promise you're not going to be disappointed. This is a beautifully well pigmented palette. The shimmers are spectacular. I would use a glitter glue to kind of help alleviate some of that fallout, or do your eyes first, because I did experience some fallout, especially when creating the blue look. But aside from that, no issues. These are beautiful shadows, as typically all the Clarity Cosmetics palettes that I've had in my stash have been. It's just always been one of those brands that I know I can rely on, and I do have an affiliate code with them. It is Steff5, I believe. I'm not too sure if that's 5% off or 10% off. I'm not too sure. They're kind of bringing back the affiliate codes and stuff, but I'll have my affiliate link and everything in the description box in case you want to shop this palette. On June the 16th at 12 p.m. CST is when this palette is going to drop. You can rest assured, while I'm on vacation, I'm going to be taking pictures of this, and I'm going to try and do a little reel over there showcasing this palette because I loved it. Like, it is definitely getting 2 big thumbs up for me. Let me know what you thought about this palette. Is Aloha going to be in your future? Sound off in the comments down below, and let me know which look was your favorite. Are you team 1, team 2, team 3, team none, team all? Leave it in the comments. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. You all have a great day or night wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink that water, especially right now in the summertime. It is super important, and I will see you all very soon. Bye.